I'm in Cyprus. Coffee time here. Oh, di ba? Oh, ganda ng sunset. It's just only like, what time? 4 p.m? Oh, kapi-kapi tayo rito. Ang daming tambay, oh. Oh, di ba? Pwede ka rin doon sa marami pang parking spot dito. Libre. Pwede ka rin magkapi doon, o doon sa doon sa yan. View of it. I am in this park. So much people here, So many people there. The weather is still good, so this is called the shed, The shed is right there. Yeah, that's coffee shop there. That's called the shed, yeah. Must be go. Then we'll go up to Cyprus, all the way up. Let's go. Dami nakatambay dito. May snow na dito, oh. Slow. Tambay lang tayo dito, gabi-gabi. Tapos kaya tambay tayo sa banda doon. Ayan. Tignan natin yung dulo dito. Anong meron dito. Ayan. Tayo dito. Tayong tao. Ayan. Daming tao dito, ano bang meron dito? Wala naman. Wala na tayong parada dito. Pedestrian cross. Mga nag-iski sa taas, oh. Downhill biking, you can just park your car on this left-hand side parking lot. Those are for the bikers on this side there. This area. This area. This is the lodge on my right hand side to stay warm. Alright my friends, when I stay warm, get into this lodge right here. It's a nice one. We're just gonna go around and we're leaving. I'm just gonna go around a little bit. can stay here. Oh, look at this one. Waterfalls. If you want to stay here, you park. You pay the parking, right? But you can see so many people here, right? And what is that? That is the Black Mountain Lodge right there. That lodge there. Going down here. There's a small house on the top right there. We're just checking, folks, what's going on here. It's fun. We love skiing. The time is just only 4:40 and it's still early. So just careful when you're going down here. When so many people, they just cross in front of you. Yeah. Okay, I'm leaving the place and people are just start coming in. See, people are behind me now. They're behind me right now. You can see. I'm leaving now, my friends, because I have to go more place to visit. I don't have my skateboard with me, so just focus now on driving because it's very dangerous today. It's raining. It's snowing on the. I mean the floor is road is slippery. So we're about to leave now the place finally. All right. It's Sunday, so careful driving here. You might fall there on your right side. Okay, no more now here. John spotted. Ano ginagawa ni John? John, oh. Magala si John, oh. Si John. You know how it's very hard to go out on the weekends parking spot and traffic, so you get going out and getting in